So for the first letter, we're gonna do the alphabet and we're gonna finger spell. So A is just a closed fist with your thumb up. Okay, so that's the letter A. And then for B, it's like the number 4, but you close all of your fingers and your thumb is bent down. And sorry, for A, palm orientation was facing forward. For B, palm orientation is also facing forward. So B, you see it. Okay. Letter B. So A, B. And like I said, sign language is a lot about repetition. It might get really annoying, and all through college, my teachers repeated. It was annoying, but when I went home, I realized it stuck, no matter how slow they went. So I would do a lot of repeating. I'll start back over, just so you guys can retain as much information as you can. So once again, A, B. Now for the letter C, your palm orientation is right here, are facing outward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so palm orientation for C is like that. It's just like you're holding a cup in your hand and you see the letter C. Facing your palm orientation is facing to the left. So I'll show you in different angles. Kind of looks weird, sorry. Alrighty. So once again, A, B, C. Now for the letter D, you bring your pointer finger or your middle finger, your index finger, and your pinky finger down to meet your thumb. Keep your pointer finger up, and if you kind of see, it makes a little shape. That's for the letter D. So D. And D gets very confused with the letter F, so kind of remember, for a D, you bring your 3 fingers down to meet your thumb, have your pointer finger facing up. Palm orientation is facing forward. So A, B, C, D. And then for the letter E, it's kind of like a claw. I don't really know how to explain it, but in a weird way, it does to me look like the letter E. So I'll bring it a little bit closer for you guys so you can see the side angle. E, palm orientation facing forward. So once again, from the beginning, A, B, C, D, E.